everyone, and welcome to the Meditation Channel. When you're ready, close your eyes, get yourself in a comfortable position, and listen to my voice. Today's meditation is designed to help you self-heal your body and heal any inflammation that you may be having at this time. And so beginning to follow your breath in and out, and with each breath surrendering just a little more. Taking notice, feeling, and just connecting to your body now. Asking yourself, how do I feel today, and what do I need? And so we're going to begin by scanning our body from head to toe. And as we do this, I want you to notice and become aware as to where in your body you may be having inflammation. And so let's begin from the top of your head, moving down your eyes, your eyebrows, your nose, your chin, down your cheeks, your jaw, the back of your head, the top of your head, your ears, and then moving down your neck. Down your shoulders, down your chest and your shoulder blades, down your arms and your elbows, your stomach, your middle back, your lower back, your spine, and your hips. Your forearms, your wrists, all the way to your fingertips. And your groin area, moving down the top of your legs and the back of your legs, down to your knees, your shins, and your calves. Down your ankles, the top of your feet, the bottom of your feet, all the way to your toes. And if you didn't notice anything, that's perfectly fine. Just trust your intuition. And you may also have inflammation in multiple parts of your body. So whatever your body wants to reveal to you or your intuition, just trust. And before we begin, I want you to ask these parts of your body, this inflammation, what are you trying to tell me right now? What emotions are flaring up? What emotions are coming back time and time again? Is there something that needs my love, my attention, and my healing that I am not paying attention to? And what does my nervous system need at this time? And just listening now, just allowing your body to reveal the information to you. Maybe you will have messages, thoughts, memories, or sensations. We now call forth the self-healer and our higher self to step forward to help us heal, reset, and soothe this inflammation that's in our system. We invite their healing, their energy, and their blessing today. And so now above you, I want you to see a soothing and cooling, deep blue energy. Very, very fresh and cooling, this energy. And seeing it as an energetic light gently cascade down, 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 entering the top of your head. And moving down your body, wrapping itself around your spine, moving down and down. And as it connects to your spine, it begins to spread, moving through your nervous system and through your muscles, your tendons, and your bones. And I invite you now to breathe in and breathe out as you feel this soothing and cooling energy move throughout your whole system. Giving you a sense of immediate tranquility and peace. And this energy is cooling your body, allowing it to feel relaxed, nurtured, and loved. And now I invite you to send this energy to those parts of your body where you're holding on to this energy the most. Just visualize it moving and swirling and cleansing and clearing. The more this energy enters that part of your body, the more relaxed and at peace you feel. Very calming and soothing energy, very loving and relaxing. And instruct this energy now to enter your nervous system and any parts that are inflamed that are related to this emotionally. So maybe now it's moving into your heart, into your energy field. Soothing all of those emotions and releasing the tension in your heart. Allowing you to feel even more relaxed, even more at peace, even more centered than ever before. Washing away the tension, washing away the stress, washing away the inflammation. And now bringing your focus to your breath. Deep breath in, 1, 2, 3, 4, and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in, 1, 2, 3, 4. And out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in, 1, 2, 3, 4. And out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. And in, 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally let it all go. Returning your breath to its natural rhythm and just bringing yourself to that stillness again, that quiet. Dear body, I now give you full permission to heal this inflammation, to continue the healing as the day goes by. Please send me messages, guidance, and information to continue the healing so that I may assist you. Sending you love, peace, and blessings. Thank you. You may continue to stay in this meditation for as long as you wish. But if you're ready to return, I invite you to begin to expand your awareness. Slowly beginning to connect to your breath once again, and gently and slowly returning back. When it feels right, open your eyes.